Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, on, let's say, Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look a bit different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big thing that's happened as of the recording of this video was a very cruel move. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the price started to show some signs of life, came up to that resistance at 10,800 and actually got the breakout right there. And then just as fast as the breakout happened, the price just absolutely flushed right back to the downside. So like I said, I mean, from a nice looking breakout to all of a sudden being down at this area of support, a very fast turnaround. So that is what leads us into kind of the first question. So let's use, the Sunday afternoon. Let's say you're watching this video Sunday afternoon. Question number one that you need to ask yourself revolves around, where is the price at relative to 10,300, at the time you're watching this? If you are answering the question that the price is still above that level, then that's definitely a good sign that this current movement right here, hasn't spun any further out of control. Or if it has, maybe if it's perhaps the prices come down here and then all of a sudden it's gotten its way back upwards. So point here being, it's not, if you're answering the question that the price up above 10,300, it's not like the price is, falling any more out of control or anything like that. It's at least going sideways and trying to maintain itself. Now, this is where some common sense comes into play, though, and gut instincts. So if you're answering the question that the price up above 10,300, I mean, that's great. Now, if you're saying, well, not only is it above 10,300, but it's actually up there at 10,900, that would be, just clearly telling you that not only was this fake movement the movement to the downside fake, but now the price has really come roaring backwards to the upwards direction. So from that angle of things, like I said, some gut instincts, common sense goes a long way. Now, in the event you're answering the question that the price is down below 10,300, the next key level of support and the level you would want to ask yourself is at the $10,000 mark, meaning the price is down below 10,300, then immediately ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,000? If you're answering the question that the price is down below that area, well, then at that point, that's a signal that I want to say the entire chart's ruined, because that would be a little bit too dramatic, but that would be a sign that the bears are doing a pretty good job taking things back over. So again, preferably speaking, yeah, stay above 10,300. But if the price can't do that, then for sure you want to see the price stay above 10,000. So we'll see how this all plays out over the weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.